Some of you may have received a paw print charge cord holder that I've made, and have had questions about how to install the charge cord. So it's a pretty basic setup. It only works with the black MCC chargers. And you have the flat bottom of the charge cord holder, and then you have the actual charge cord itself. The flat part sits on the desk, and then you just put it inside of there and just push it in. Every print that I make, I do double check it with a set of cords that I have to make sure that it will fit. So once it's actually on there, the light will stand. It helps from tipping over. Even like Arcfield Pro, stand without a problem. And even with the Javelin Mini or Javelin Turbo 2, it will stand and it will charge. Turn the lights off here so you can see. It is charging. In the back there you can see the red light. So if you need to take out the charge cord for any reason, if you need to switch it out, or if you just don't want to use it for anymore, all it is, just take your thumb and just press it out. And there you go. Once again, put it in from the back side, line the cord up itself with the slot, just push it up in there. It'll come to a stop. There's a little lip that is on here that'll stop it from going all the way. If you do happen to push it through, just take the cord itself. The USB plug-in will is actually smaller than this hole itself. So even if you were to push it all the way through, you could pull the whole cord actually through it. So there you go.